Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn about the remaining part of chapter 0 of your HSC 11th standard textbook. The first part I have uploaded a separate video. Now here we are beginning with some words which you have to learn. The first part was about understanding, okay? And on the first page of lesson 0, there are some things which we have to learn, just like what? The national anthem of France, the colors of the French flag, the national emblem, and so on. Now we are beginning with the second part of the chapter, which is what? Some actual words which you have to learn. The first one is les nombres, the numbers. It is 0 to 20 given over here. I am pronouncing it. You have to repeat after me. Okay. It is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to 10, 0 to 10 again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. If you require to listen to this again, you can just go 10 seconds, 15 seconds behind and you can listen to it as many times as you want. Now you have to memorize 0 to 20. Once you memorize 0 to 20, you are through. Like the other numbers depend upon 0 to 20. So the main part here is 0 to 20. Now once you memorize that, now the numbers 21 to 69 follow a similar pattern. Now we are going to study the pattern. 21 is what? 21. 20 means 20. ET, the word ET means and. Okay. And this ET means what? And. Okay. And means 1. 20 and 1 means 21. Then again, when the 22 hyphen. At 21 there is no hyphen. 22 onwards there is hyphen. Okay. Just like when through and so on until when of 29. Then 30 is known as 30. Then again the same pattern. 30 31. Then 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36, 39, 39. Now moving on to 40. I'm just explaining you the pattern, okay? Just like this, you have to fill in all the numbers in the middle. Now 40 is known as what? 40. Then 41 again the same. 41. Then again until 49, 49. 50 is known as 50. 50 means 50. Same. Then 60, 60, 60. Then 69, 69. Then moving on. Now note the pattern of 70 to 99. Okay. 70 means 60. 60 means 60. D means 10. So 70. 60. Then obviously after 10 you are going to use the numbers from 11 to 20. So 60 ons means 60 and 11. Then 60, 12. Okay. Then 72, 63, 64, 75, 66, 70, 17, 78, 79. Then 80. For 80 we have 80. Now what does this mean? 80 means 4. 20 means 20. And there is an S given. It means what? 4 20s. 4 20s means what? 80. So 81 is again what? 80. Here there is no ET used. All the numbers prior to this where there was 71, like 61, 51, there was ET being used. Here there is no ET being used. Please note this. then 80, the, and so on till 89. 90 is called what? 80. If you notice, I hope you've noticed, okay? In 80, there is an S being used. But then onwards, S is not being used. It was only for 80. 81 mein, there is no S. Then again 90. Now coming back to 90, 90 is what? 80 means 80 and 10. Then again 80 and 11, 80 and 12, and so on. And 100 is called song. CENT, song. I hope you are clear until here. This I have explained. Now you are going to do what? You are going to write 1 to 100 entirely in your notebook. Okay? I hope this pattern is clear. Observe the pattern, it is very easy once you learn 0 to 20. Now, coming back, 200 is called as what? The song. 200s. So, S. Okay. The song. Then, 1000 is called what? Meal. I am reading this, you have to learn this. Okay. Write it down as many times as you want until you learn these words. 1000 is meal. 2000 is the meal. Here there is not 2000s. Okay, here it is only 2000. Then coming back to this side. Okay, 201. The song. Oh, I hope you're clear until here. Then 640. Sis song Kerant. If there is a number given like 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 900, so on, there you are going to use S, 200s, 300s. But if it is 200 plus some number, suppose just like 201, there you are not going to say 200s and 1. There you are going to say only 201. You can observe it here. The song here, this song word here does not have S. But the song here has S. Okay. Note this. This is what makes a language beautiful as well as interesting as well as difficult. These are such small pointers which you have to keep in your mind going ahead. Then 732, again the same thing. Saw does not have an S, and here as well. 2019, the meal, the nerve. Again, meal does not have S. So meal basically does not have S anywhere. Saw has S only when there is what? 200, 300, 400 and so on. But if there is some number along with those hundreds, at that time saw does not have an S. This is written in the notes. Okay, we'll read it. Note, 80 loses the S when a number follows. We have seen this. 80 means 80. 80 contains S only when it is being used for the number 80. But the moment it becomes 81, 82 and so on, it loses its S, just like in 82. The second point, song takes an S when it is preceded by a number, but it loses the S when it is followed by another number. Okay, just like 200 is preceded by number 2. Okay, 2 and 100. So there it takes an S. But 220, it is followed by the number 20. So it loses its S. Now the third note, meal. Meal means what? 1000. Meal, unlike song, never takes an S. This I have explained it to you above as well. Now for numbers 81 and 91, the word ET is replaced by a hyphen. This all is written in here. Okay, these are the basic observations which they have written over here. This is just to make it easier for you. 81 and 91 do not take the word ET. ET means what? And. Instead, 81 and 91 use hyphen. These were the cardinal numbers. Now we are going on to the ordinal number. What is the difference between cardinal and ordinal? Cardinal means 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordinal means first, second, third, fourth. Just this. Okay. Now the ordinal numbers. Now what do we have in the ordinal numbers? The through 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 these. Those. These are cardinal numbers. Now the arrow is given in between and the ordinal part is given. I am reading the table. You have to learn this one, okay? It is very easy. means premiere. The means the ZM, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième, huitième, neuvième. Here it becomes V, okay? Neuvième nahi, neuvième, neuvième, dixième, onzième, douzième. If you can notice over here where there is a number ending with the letter E, this E, this last letter E vanishes over here. It only takes what IEME. Okay, these are the ordinal numbers. Now this is the exercise given. Now also another thing. Look at this one, 5E. Just like in English we write fifth, TH, we write it above. Just like that in French we write 5E, fifth. This is going to be called as what? Cinquième. Okay, this is written in words like this and in numbers like this, 5 and E. These are for your solving. These are again for your calculation and solving. Number names they are practicing. I hope you're through with this part. This was a huge chunk as numbers are very important over here. So this video will become lengthy. I'll continue this learn, that is time, in the next video. Okay. Keep watching it. I'll be posting every video like one after the other just to keep you all in the loop and in the link. Okay. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.